In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this Samsung. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on one of those modes to set up the best one for you: standard, interview, or speech to text. I will go with standard, so now I can finally start my recording by tapping on this red button. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to listen to it right away, you need to pause it, swipe, and click on this button at the bottom left corner. In order to add a bookmark, click on this blue one, and if you wish to end it and save it, on the square one. Now name your recording however you wish to, and tap on category. Then choose one of the available ones, or create your own by tapping on Add Category, naming it, and choosing Add. Finally, click Save. And as you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to edit it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. I want to, for example, cut this section, so I need to adjust it thanks to this slider. Then click on scissors icon at the bottom right corner. Pick one of those options, in my case delete selected area, and tap on save at the top right corner. Now choose if you wish to save your changes as new recording or replace original file. If you wish to delete one of your recordings, just hold the chosen one, tap on this bin icon at the bottom, and choose Move to Recycle bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!